Tips and tricks to make your glass sparkling clean. If you really want your window or mirror to be streak-free, clean from the top to the bottom. Because the cleaning solution can drip, use gravity to your advantage and let the cleaner drip into areas you haven't washed yet. Begin at the top and work your way down to make sure that no drips will happen on the glass surfaces that are already perfectly cleaned. You may think this should be the opposite, as you can see the dirt on the glass better with the sun streaming in. The sun, however, can prematurely dry the window washing fluid, leaving residue and streaks. If you wait for a cloudy day to wash your windows, the cleaning solution will remain until you wipe it away and you will end up with a brilliant streak-free shine. It is amazing what a difference this one simple tool makes on glass surfaces. Sometimes the first wipe of the cloth doesn't remove all of the cleaning solution, and having to re-wipe areas of glass is a guarantee that you'll have streaks. Using a squeegee, however, makes it effortless to polish each section of the window. A long-handled squeegee is a must if you will be doing tall windows, and it will do double duty in cleaning shower walls and doors as well. No matter how hard you try, residue seems to build up in the corners of the glass, and it can be very difficult to get to that residue unless you have the right tool. Cotton swabs are ideal for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas of the windows in your home. It's the perfect size and does the trick. Old t-shirts are ideal for cleaning glass because they won't have any lint residue and they are just absorbent enough to get a window polished clean. Plus, using old tees instead of paper towels is a great way to save money on housekeeping costs, and is good for the environment. Sometimes homemade solutions do the best job, are more economical and won't contain unknown chemicals. To create your own glass cleaner, mix together 1 cup rubbing alcohol, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Using isopropyl alcohol and white vinegar together makes a quickly evaporating spray glass and mirror cleaner that competes with commercial brands. This can also be used to give a nice shine to hard tiles, chrome, and other surfaces. Some people swear by a newspaper to polish their glass surfaces. It does work and can work well, but many people don't like getting newsprint on their hands. The newspaper also doesn't hold up very well when it gets wet. But if you are finding that towels and cloth just aren't for you, the newspaper is worth a try. And if you are happy with how the glass looks but not how your hands look, you can simply wear gloves. Many glass and window cleaners can cause damage to the framed wood areas of our mirrors and windows. Prevent drips on the wood which can damage these surfaces. Place a small cloth on the wood or windowsill to absorb any drips. And avoid spraying too much cleaner at once. Instead, spray the window in small sections, working from the top down to the bottom of the glass. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.